Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review of the Linksys USB Wireless Network Adapter WUSB6300, we want to let you know that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. The Linksys WUSB6300 is a dual-band wireless 3.0 adapter designed for PC users who need a reliable and fast internet connection without the hassle of a wired setup. Supporting Windows 10, 7, 8, XP, and Vista, this adapter offers great versatility across various operating systems. One of the standout features of this adapter is its dual-band capability, delivering speeds up to 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz wireless AC band, and up to 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz wireless in band. This means smoother HD video streaming, lag-free gaming, and faster downloads. It's compatible with all wireless AC 802.11 AC routers, including Linksys, Belkin, and other brands, making it a flexible choice for upgrading your PC's wireless capabilities. Security is well covered with support for up to 128-bit encryption, including WEP, WPA, and WPA2 standards, ensuring that your connection remains safe from unauthorized access. The installation process is straightforward, and the adapter's compact design makes it easy to carry and use on the go. Pros of the Linksys WUSB6300 include its solid dual-band performance, broad compatibility, and strong security features. It also supports USB 3.0, which helps maintain high-speed data transfer. However, some users might find the setup software a bit outdated, and the adapter's range, while decent, may not be sufficient for very large spaces compared to some higher-end models. Overall, this adapter is a reliable and cost-effective solution for anyone looking to enhance their PC's wireless connectivity with AC 1200 speeds. Don't forget, the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment, so check it out before you buy.